Hi guys! Today when I woke up, my mother said I have a surprise in my indoor veranda. So this is my back door veranda. So let's go to my indoor veranda and find the surprise. So I started walking in my indoor veranda. Hi plants! Hi! Oh hi! Hi! So here lies my best surprise that are roses! And here are rare orange cosmandras. So I even saw a bud there, roses. Hey you! Today is my best day in my life. And so I bought a fancy basket to plug them. And just I found a cotton bud even for my cotton plant which I planted 30 days ago. And even before I got two cottons already, I plucked out cottons and I used for etc. So come on, let's pluck. Oh, it's hard to pluck with hand, so let's go with scissors. Come on, Rose. Come on. Come on. Finally it came. This also came. And now come to rare orange cosmendras. These are very rare. And they are easy to pluck with hand, so I'm plucking with hand. Today I got 4 rare cosmendras. And this one, I think it's some not bloomed. Now I'm sprinkling on the bud of cotton with water, some water, and I'm taking care of it actually. And saying bye to my indoor veranda. How do you like my flowers? And bye bye guys, and my back veranda.